Hello candidates, SNAP 2021 registration process has begun. If you wish to appear for the exam for admission to MBA programs of Symbiosis Institutes, you must submit the application form before deadline. In this video, you will watch the step-by-step process of SNAP applications. First of all, log on to the SNAP 2021 website, which is snaptest.org. On the home page, you will see register icon. Click on it to start SNAP application process. On the registration page, click on register. Then read the instructions displayed on the screen, and at the bottom, click on I agree to move to the next page. On the next page, you need to enter your personal info such as name, date of birth, phone number, email ID, category and nationality. You also have to select test day options and upload your passport size photo on this page. Now click on Save and Continue to confirm registration. An OTP will be shared in SMS. Now enter the OTP on verification page and confirm registration. The fee payment window will open. The SNAP fee is ₹1950. Read the details and click on Click here to pay. You can make fee payment by credit card, debit card, net banking or e-wallets. Once the fee payment is done, click on Click here to continue to complete the application form. On the last page, enter academic details such as class 10 and 12 marks, graduation score and university, and select Symbiosis Institutes for admission. Further, add your residential address and move to fee payment for Symbiosis Institutes, which is ₹1000 per institute. So this was all about SNAP 2021 registration process. Feel free to reach out to us for queries in the comments section below. Stay tuned for college course and entrance exams related information. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram.